good, y'all? Welcome back to the Class of Wealth, man. Today I got a very special video for y'all, man. As y'all can see, I'm right here standing next to a Super 10 dump truck. And today I'm going to be showing y'all how to work this thing, man. I ain't going to make the intro long. So we finna just get up right into it, man. No cap. Let's do it. So as y'all can see, we waiting to get loaded up at the dump yard right now. So while we wait, I'm going to tell y'all how to operate a Super 10 dump truck. So basically, after you're done getting loaded up, you want to hold this button down right here so the tarp could come down. The tarp is for you to prevent, you know, rocks and dirt and everything else from coming out the back of your truck while you're driving, so you won't hit other people driving. You feel me? You gotta always put that down because you don't want police to be tripping on you. So you do that, and after you then put your tarp down, you want to hit this switch down here. This switch right here. You want to hit this switch. This is to drop your drop axles. Different trucks are built different, but you know, you can ask the person, your mentor, or your a driver who been driving the truck before you, or you know, anybody who just know about trucks. You ask them where to drop axle. You gotta always drop your drop axles every time you finna start driving with a load. So you hit this switch right here. That's one of the processes when you know, driving a dump truck. You gotta do that. The tarp, then the drop axle. Repeated process every time you get a load. Every time. Now that was the first step to what you're doing while you're driving the Super 10 dump truck. The second step now is when you get to the yard when you're about to dump. So I'm gonna start on that now. So now that you're at the yard, this is what you do when you get ready to dump. Some people tell me to put it in drive, some people tell you to put it in neutral. What I do it while it's in drive. I have it in drive, and then I cut my PT on while it's in drive by hitting this switch. And then after I cut my PT on, I put it in neutral, and then, you know, release my parking brake. Parking brake is to stop the vehicle from moving. You don't really got to worry about the emergency brake inside of a Super 10 dump truck. Why? Because it don't have a fifth wheel, so you really don't have to worry about this. This is always going to be released at all times. But you want to always release this when you're doing this process. You want to always release your parking brakes. So after you do that and the vehicle is in neutral, parking brake is released, you know you're not going to move, PTO is on, which is by hitting this switch up. Then you want to hit this switch up right here to open up your tailgate so everything could come out. So once you open up your tailgate by hitting this switch up right here, then you go right here to your lever, and this is how you lift your box up. So you want to lift this up, and your box is going to start going up. Make sure your foot is not on the brake, because if your foot is on the brake, then this not going to go up until you release it from the brake. So after you do that, and your box go up and rise, it's going to start dumping what you got in your box. It's going to start dumping it, basically. Yeah. It's a simple process, y'all. You just got to keep on doing it over and over as you know, you keep on getting inside of the dump truck and you keep on dumping loads. You feel me? It's real simple. When I first started, it was kind of, you know, hard for me to just keep on doing this everything over and over again when I first started, because I was nervous. But once you start doing it, it just started getting simple. You know what I mean? You just start doing it with your eyes closed, I promise you. So after everything is released from the box, you want to pull this down a little bit. Cut your PTO off by hitting this switch down like it is right now. You want to hit it down. That's cutting your PT off. And then you want to push in your parking brake. Push it in. Put your vehicle in drive. Pull forward a little bit to knock everything, the remaining stuff, out your box. And after you know everything is out, because you can see it from the ground when you pulling forward, you can see the ground, that is nothing coming out as you moving. You want to start pulling your box down by doing this very gently, like I said in the last video. And then after that, you close your tailgate. Boom. That's simple, y'all. It's that simple. You just keep on doing that same process over and over and over and over again while you're in a dump truck. And once you get to the yard that you're finna dump at, you want to pull up your tarp by clicking that button that I showed y'all earlier, the tarp button. But you want to click the top like in a reverse motion. So you ain't going to click the bottom no more. You're going to click the top. You feel me? You're going to do the opposite. So the tarp could go back up. and then, you know, so they can see what type of load you hauling and see if they approve it. Because some dump yards be strict on what you bring into them. They want to make sure it's the correct stuff that you bring in, and the dirt not dirty, or, you know, it ain't contaminated, you feel me? Some yards really be strict on that. But after you pull up your tarp and you at the yard, you want to hit the switch that I showed y'all, which is this switch right here. Damn, I ain't gonna be able. It's this switch right here. You want to hit this back up so it can pull up your drop axles, because once you put your vehicle in reverse to, you know, go dump and pull back into where you're dumping a load, your drop axle is gonna come up, and you still gonna have that. It's gonna come up automatic. You still gonna have that switch like if the things was down still, but you don't want to have that. You want to do it before, so you won't, you know, you won't forget, and you just be driving with your drop axles really up, but you still got the switch like it's in a down motion. So yeah, you want to always, it's just the little things that you want to remember, so you won't have any mistakes while driving this commercial vehicle. I'm gonna just show y'all some other useful buttons, you know, to use when you're driving a dump truck or Super 10. So right here is the Jake brakes. You turn this on to slow down when you come into a stop, because you know this vehicle is kind of, you don't want to wear and tear on your brakes, so you use your Jake brakes. Click this button up, and then this right here is the button that you use, you know, for the speeds of the Jake brakes. So basically 1, 2, and 3. 3 is slowing it down the fastest. So that's the Jake brakes. It helps you not put too much pressure on your brakes. Now, right here, you got your rear lock differentials. You use these, you click both of these in, right here, these two buttons in, 1 and 2. If you click those in, you're climbing up a hill, so you're going to lose traction climbing up a hill. So that's what those are for. Then, other stuff like clean plane release, you're not really going to use that. These buttons right here, I never use them. I never use these two buttons up here. I only really use the ones that you know, that I really showed y'all earlier. Right here, that's an AC unit, the heater unit, you know, the defroster and everything, the speed, how high you want it. Just the regular stuff. You're gonna have to say all of this stuff in a pre-trip. When I went to the DMV, I didn't use this truck. I had used a truck from my school. It was a 18-wheeler with a 5th wheel, so yeah, that's how I obtained my Class A license. But I'm gonna tell y'all that in another video and explain all of that in another video. But you know, this is a Super 10 dump truck. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm gonna do the whole motion for y'all dumping on video. So first, it's in drive. Put the PT on, red light comes on. Put it in neutral, release parking brake, open tailgate. Okay, so everything should be opening up. As y'all can see, it's opening up. I can't really show y'all like that, but now I'm gonna pull this lever right here, and the box is gonna start raising. As y'all can see, look. I gave y'all the whole gecko, man. That's how you dump, man. You feel me? The box is gonna raise up and it's gonna start dumping everything out. Right now I'm dumping concrete. This is what the dude told me. Oh yeah, when y'all get to the dump site, also ask questions, because y'all don't want to just be dumping anywhere. So y'all see I'm dumping right where the concrete is at. And the box is going up. So it's going up, and then once you're gonna hear that noise right there once it's all the way up. You hear it? Now I'm gonna pull it down a little bit. PTO off, put it in drive, push parking brake in so you can drive forward a little bit, and you're gonna drive forward while holding this, so you won't lose control of your box. Everything that came out, I heard it, I see it. Now you're gonna slowly pull the box down by doing it gently how I'm doing it. You're gonna pull it down, it's gonna keep on going on its own. Like as it keep going down, it's just gonna, you know, it's just gonna be an easier motion. Look, you see? It's going down smoothly. You don't want to slam it ever, because like I said, that'll cause mechanical damage. You feel me? Bad problems. You feel me? And we don't need no problems. You want the job to be quick and simple and easy as possible without any mistakes. So the box is down, lever's all the way down, so I'm good. Now I'm gonna close my tailgate. Boom. Boom. Like that, man. Now we can get up out of here. Get up out of here. Quick and simple, easy process, man. Just like that. So now on to the next place, man. I'm gonna go pick up base. And then we're gonna do the same process. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that before I ended the video off, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video, man. We on the road to 1,000 subs. This year we gonna be consistent, man. I know I've been playing all the other years, but this year I promise y'all we gonna get it. I feel it. And my whole main goal here is, man, just to motivate a lot of y'all, man. I'm young. I just want to show y'all that it's possible, man. And age do not matter, bro. You could be old, you could be young, bro. You can always achieve your dreams and aspirations, man. That's all I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. Get up, go do it, bro. Sit in the house, it ain't gonna do it for you, bro. You gotta get up and actually go do it, bro. If you want to see a change, bro. That's what I'm doing, man. So I hope I'm motivating y'all, man. And yeah, we gone.
Bye, have a great time.